All right, after circling for a little bit, we were lucky enough to find an actual spot because there were some people leaving after the morning. Right now it's like almost 10 o'clock and it's pretty packed right here. We're at the Garden of the Gods. It's a lot of rock formation. There are people climbing the rock right there, and actually over here just as well. There are some people that are free climbing, and then some people are using harnesses. There's a lot of places for hikers, lots of hiking trails. This is just a lot, and there's also a lot of people because it's a Sunday. We got away from the crowd back over there, and this spot is much better. No one, and it has pretty good rock formations for pictures. This tree looks funny. It looks like legs. Like, this is pretty cool right here. Looks like a fist. Give it a little fist bump. I can't reach. Almost slipped. That was cool. We're gonna climb up this. Yeah, let's go.
I'm not climbing.
Pretty scary.
Yeah, no, I don't like heights.
Me neither.
Yeah, so I'm not going up there.
I'm up here.
I'd cry, honestly.
Come up.
I'm not going up.
Come on. You got this. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, come on, you got this. Look at him, look at him. Go. Come on, guy, go. You got this, you got this. You could climb, I know you can. I've taught you well. So there's two spots. We could go up here or go down here. Just don't touch the side. There you go, see? Look at him, he's going. Oh my gosh, babe, look at him. Look at him.
I'm looking at him.
Look at him. He literally climbed up by himself. Look at that. He's a climber. Look at this. He's beautiful. Right there, that's a Instagram spot. Someone drew that right there. After climbing up all the way here.
How'd you do it?
Slowly go back.
Straight or backwards?
Kind of backwards in the way.
You just licked my hand. Saw that?
Yeah. Hi, wait.
Like, go, mama. Go, mama.
Wait.
This ain't bad, babe. What you talking about?
I'm a bigger person too, you know that, right?
True.
So, and I had
You know your shoes don't have grip?
not really.
Mine do.
Look at him.
Good boy,
Look at
guy.
him. See? You got this. You got this. There you go.
Good boy.
See? Not hard, right?
No, I like it.
Alright, so after the Garden of the Gods, we are heading to the North Pole Workshop, which is free in the summer, which is awesome. But you're going to have to purchase tickets to do rides and stuff like that. So we're just going to head on there first and then go from there. Man, this is going uphill. So we didn't even buy the tickets because we don't plan on riding any of these rides. Just kind of checking it out. It's pretty cool. Definitely good for younger kids. You could bring your service animal in as well. elf show, but there's nothing going on. Lots of ornaments to pick from.
I like the Grinch.
Oh, they have Grinch stuff too. They're blowing snow out right now. This is Santa's house. Oh, look, Santa's in there. Elf Show's back open. Gonna get over there. In this area, you could take photos. Take it in the sled right here, or with this North Pole sign, or that big bear.
They're so good.
Shows today's date and got 110 days before Christmas. There's those cable rides, there's some train rides, like all those type of rides. They're really meant for younger kids. Adults could play, but not as thrilling, I would say. At the Red Canyon, you are able to see the Garden of the Gods right on the trail. Just found a pretty neat trail right here. Hi, excuse me.
Hi, come here.
Excuse me. Woo!
That was dramatic.
But this is cool. Alright, that was a pretty good hike. I got to see some sort of water at part of the trail, so that was pretty cool. Head back down, and on the right side.
Oh my God.
Okay,